What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polygon and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a look at Matic here, and as we can see, it does look as though we are, forming some very nice breakout patterns, aren't we, for most cryptos. Obviously, over the past few days, we've had a really nice pump to the upside, haven't we? Bitcoin's basically been breaking out. Bitcoin's obviously been breaking out of key levels of resistance. It's broken out on multiple timeframes of all kinds of EMAs. It's broken out of the 20 and the 50, and it's now backtesting them as support on the daily time frame. And obviously, this is extremely important for Polygon because whatever Bitcoin does, Polygon will also do. We've had a few people complaining like, oh, you spent the whole time looking at the Bitcoin chart in the last video and not at VeChain or whatever. And quite simply, that's because, VeChain isn't moving by itself. It's moving because of what Bitcoin's doing. So it's very important to get an idea of what's happening with Bitcoin so we can see what's happening with most other cryptos. And obviously, as we can see, it does look as though Polygon has found a very nice support here. Honestly, I love fib extensions because you can really see how crazy they are sometimes. You can see quite clearly here. If we just take a look at the range that we have formed, basically looking something like this, we've had our run up and our retracement. You just pull your fib from the bottom of the bottom to the top of the channel, and you look at this, it's pretty much bang on. We've hit that CC, all that 618 retracement level, and had that bounce pretty much perfectly, after breaking to the downside of this channel. So pretty interesting stuff in our opinion. Obviously, there's a lot of confluence to Fibonacci extensions, and as you can see here, we are showing that signs of the breakout to the upside now. On our daily time frame, obviously we've been trading downwards here in this descending wedge for some time, ever since we put in this all-time high at 270. We previously had a range low here of this recent pump where we had the retracement and the bounce at around 75 cents, but obviously we've just been rolling over, haven't we? And once we lost that 75-cent level, we did come down to that Fibonacci retracement level, bounced pretty much perfectly, came back up inside the channel, back up inside the wedge, broke out the wedge, back tested, and now we're fighting in and around these EMAs on the daily time frame, aren't we? Which is really good to see, because obviously, pretty much ever since we had the crash, we have just been getting below our EMAs here and struggling, haven't we? We've obviously flipped bearish on our daily time frame of our EMAs. We started getting stuck underneath them on every bounce like this. We got a bit lower and a bit lower, but now we're showing signs of life, aren't we? We're breaking out of a key level of resistance here. We're also getting above our 20 EMA on our daily time frame, which is very bullish. But you did come up and test the 55 here, but obviously we ran out of juice and wicked down, back down, and we're finding that 20 is support here, aren't we? Which is really bullish in our opinion, because what's going to happen is the 20 is going to get dragged up like this, and if we keep holding it as support, sooner or later it's going to force us to retest that 55 again. And the more times that we retest that, we're probably going to start to see hopefully a breakout to the upside. And then if we do get that flip bullish of our EMAs like this, with essentially our 55 coming down and our 20 coming up, and we get that bullish flip again of our EMAs, we're going to be golden, aren't we? Because the last time that we got this was somewhere back here, and obviously the rest. Polygon went from around 2 cents to $2.70 before having this this significant pullback that we are seeing. Currently the pullback's looking more like 62%, which is nowhere near as extreme as what we've seen for most cryptos, and we are seeing a nice bounce for Polygon, lots of demand, as you can see. The bulls are coming back into the market to put some equilibrium into the price action, because obviously the more overextended you get in either direction, the more likely of a reversal, to bring ourselves back to kind of fair value. And considering that we're in a bull market, we would probably say that there is still a bullish bias for most people. Obviously, when you get really overextended to the upside and you get really overbought like this, you are likely to have a correction, which we did see here. You can quite clearly see we got this big correction to the downside, but obviously we got too overextended in the other direction, and now we're seeing a little bounce, aren't we? So there's always equilibrium in the markets, and when the bears get too greedy, the bulls will come in and they will sort them out, because the prices are getting pretty tantalizing, to say the least. I mean, congratulations to anyone who bought Polygon at 62 cents. You know, that's around a, what is this? I can't see because of my my data there. I mean, a 320% gain. What is that, a 3.5x? It's actually, you know, 63 cents. That's almost a 5x back to the all-time high if you bought this. If we get back to the all-time high, which it looks like we are on the way to now. I mean, that's an absolutely incredible gain, a 5x. And that's just to get back to the all-time high. That's not even taking into consideration, you know, how far we could potentially go. So pretty clear that, you know, price action hasn't been great recently for Polygon, but you can't deny that we're showing signs of life here. And this is obviously because of Bitcoin breaking out of key levels of resistance. And obviously, if Bitcoin can backtest now and continue to the upside, then we're going to be looking at some very nice price targets, aren't we? So short-term price prediction for Polygon, as we said, we do think that backtesting this 20 as support and continuing to hold this as support will be key, because obviously it will force us to bring our 20 EMA up like this and continue to consolidate between the 20 and the 55, something like this, but over the next week or so. And if we can get that breakout and backtest of that 55 and get that flip bullish on our EMAs, I mean, wow, we're going to be, you know, basically off to the races, aren't we? Because we're reversing out of this trend, aren't we? Everything's been really, really bearish, and everyone's been saying we're going to zero, blah, blah, blah. But we've consistently said on this channel that we are showing signs of life and that we're still in a bull market, and it's most likely that we'll get that reversal soon. And it does look as though we are starting to get it now, breaking out of, you know, not one, but 2 or 3 levels of resistance here and flipping them into support. Very, very bullish. So it remains to be seen what's going to happen in the short term, but as we said, in the long term, we do think Polygon $10 plus by the end of the bull run. That's only around a 10x from the current price, which is very achievable considering how fast its network is growing. There's so many projects on it now, and the amount of network effect it's getting, it seems likely, in our opinion, that we're probably going to get a nice pump for it pretty soon. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.